Be fucked with, no, oh you can't touch.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Emareé, and you can tell by the title that today's video will be a beginner-friendly full face makeup tutorial. I don't really wear makeup, so when I do, I try to do a full face and beat my face, and I'm still learning. So hopefully this video can help you and we can learn together and grow in the makeup world, because period. But don't forget to like, comment, and to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the post notifications bell so you can be notified every time that I post a video. Because if you don't get my video, then what you doing? If you ain't got my notifications on, what you doing? Because I'm lit, and we go glow, we go prosper together, because period. But yeah, enough rambling, let's hop right into the tutorial. So my face has already been wiped of everything, and the first thing that I like to do before I put makeup on my face is to use my primer from Fenty Beauty. And I like to take some I do believe this is hydrating primer too. After I rub that all in, I like to take my my concealer from Fenty Beauty in the shade 445. And I like to just put that on my eyelids just to prep my eyes for my eyeshadow. A brush like this, and I just blend So after you do that, I take my foundation from Fenty Beauty in the shade 450, and I just I don't put a lot on. I put on basically the same way that I would put on my primer. So you just take some. You see me looking down and looking at my makeup. After I put that on, I take my beauty blender and I just spray it with some. I just get it damp, not too wet. Foundation, you just want to do like this. So once that's fully blended in, I like to spray my face with my setting spray. It's just some setting spray that I got from Walmart. Nothing too special. I like to just spray my face. After I do that, I like to take my concealer and I like to put it underneath my eyes. Then I take my beauty blender, and you want to wet it some more. And then I just blend this out. after I blend everything in, I don't bake. So I just take my Fenty Beauty setting powder. I just take my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the tone Nutmeg, and I just put it on every area that I did my concealer at. So once I do all that, I take my setting spray once again, and I just spray my face. I've done all that, I just take my lashes. So I'm wearing my lashes from my lash brand, Lash by E. So I'll be sure to leave the link to the lashes that I am wearing in the description bar. So after you apply your lashes, that's when you want to go to get your eyeshadow. This is from Sephora called I Love. Two sides to this brush. This is the shadow side, and this is the crease side. So I'm going to take the shadow side first, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm just going to put some all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to take the crease side, and I'm going to go in with this glitter right here. I'm going to just put it in the crease of my eye. After you do that, I just take my setting spray again, and I just spray my face. So then I just take some regular chapstick, and I just put that on first. Go in with some lip gloss. I bought this lip gloss from the beauty supply store for $1. It's just the Max lip gloss. Once again, the lashes that I am wearing will be linked in the description box so you can purchase them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below videos that you would like to see in the future. And if you try out this look, y'all see how it's so smooth. So don't forget to watch my previous video on my skincare routine, because we want clear skin all 2020, period. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And I will see you in the next